Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Make sure your device is online and running the latest iOS or Mac OS so recovery works smoothly. Next, check the exact Apple ID email and recent purchase dates. These help verify ownership. Once done, prepare a trusted device or the phone number tied to the account for two-factor prompts. Now open Settings or System Preferences, tap your name, and attempt to sign in to trigger the unlock or recovery flow. You should now run account recovery. Go to Sign in Settings or visit iForget and enter your Apple ID to begin a reset. When prompted, complete two-factor authentication on your trusted device or accept the SMS code. This proves it's you. If verification fails, use account recovery, which may take hours. Follow the on-screen estimate. Also check for unpaid balances or billing holds in payment and shipping. Clearing those often removes App Store/iTunes blocks, so update card info if required. Finish by signing out of the App Store and iTunes on each device, then sign back in using your updated password to refresh entitlements. Once signed in, check purchases and subscriptions to confirm access. Use Restore Purchases in apps if something is missing. If your Apple ID remains disabled, contact Apple support directly and be ready with proof of identity and recent purchase details. This usually resolves account holds. Troubleshooting tip: if recovery stalls, allow the full wait time for account recovery before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.